Hey everyone, it's Claudia, and today I'm so excited because I finally received my Kylie lip kit, and I'm very excited. There we go. Man, I'm scared. I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh man. I'm actually so excited. Let's see, Oh my god. It says Kylie, KylieCosmetics.com. What does it smell like? It smells like factory, okay? Doesn't smell like Kylie Jenner, but whatever. I hoped, you know, a girl could dream. Oh, look at this. And it's like little holographic kind of. Oh, and it's in her handwriting. Thank you so much for purchasing your Kylie lip kit. I hope you enjoy using it as much as I enjoyed creating it. I put my heart and soul into each and every kit, and I want to thank you for joining me on my journey. XOXO and happy Valentine's Day, Kylie. It's her handwriting. And these are her lips. Oh look, and then it's my order, blah blah blah, bill to me, whatever. Can't believe it. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is the box. It's so cute. There it is. Mary Jo K is the color that I got. It's the red. I never have ever worn red lipstick, so this is the first time. It says Kylie's tips. Line lips with lip liner and fill lips in with liquid lip color. And it says blah blah blah, Kylie XOXO with the red dripping. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So you open it up. You got a little divider so things don't shake around. Yeah, she could have filled this one up because in the factory she was like filling some, and I'm like, man, look at me making my lip kit. She could have filled this, people. Anyways, look, I did my nails red just for the occasion because I was waiting for this. So happy. Oh my god. And then we got the little Mary Jo K. Alright, and also this like looks plasticky like over here, but apparently you can sharpen it, so now I'm gonna try it on. I'm really scared. I'm so scared. This is like a bold color for me because I'm not used to wearing stuff like this. I'm so scared. So far so good, I think. Babe. It so far. Now we're gonna put this on. I'm so alright. Alright. Here we go. Apparently it smells so good. So ready? Oh yeah, it smells like sugar cookies. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so not used to this. Oh my god, it's so bright. It smells so good. It feels so good. I haven't worn any matte liquid lipsticks in my life. This is the first one. I think it smells great. Look at how my nails are red. It smells so good. It feels so good. The box is cute. So cute. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. I love this. I'm gonna try to eat with this on and see if it stays. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Tutti a tavola a mangiare. Cheers. So yeah, that was pretty good. So yeah, I really like this. The color doesn't seem like it's coming off. It feels good. Like, it doesn't even feel like, because sometimes, you know, I'm kind of new at like wearing, you know, lip gloss or lipstick. So sometimes I don't really like the feeling of it, but this I love. Like, it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. So that's what I really like. The color, of course, is great. Cool color. I've never worn a color like this before, and I think it's really good. And I'm glad I got it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye! Thank you, Kylie Jenner, for this foam mat. I've waited all my life.